Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to favorite a website on Mac. So in order to favorite a website, what you need to do is you need to first open the Safari browser. By favorite, I mean you want to add the website to this list here at the top. So what you need to do is you need to first open that particular website. Say suppose I want to favorite youtube.com, which is not available in the list. So I can just type in youtube.com and access that website. And once I'm on the website, I can click on the share icon here and select add to favorites, and it will automatically add to favorite. So if I go back to the home screen, or I can just open a new tab here, so you can see then YouTube has been added to favorite. Now if you want to remove a particular favorite which is there in the list, so what you can do is you can just right click it and you can just click on delete. If you want to change the name, what you can do is you can just right click and select rename, and it will give you the option YT, and then you can save it as YT. And if you want to change the address of particular favorite, then what you can do is you can right click on it and click on edit address, and it will give you the field where you can just type in and rename the address and hit on done, and it will update. So in this way you can add the website URL to the Safari favorites and also manage it. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.